So you're thinking about moving to Ponte Vedra, Florida, and you'd really like to live in Nocatee, and you'd also like a 55+ community like Webb Nocatee. Well, we're in Webb Nocatee today. I'm going to show you around a beautiful villa home with like the lowest entry price possible to get into this fantastic community. Nocatee, I don't know if you've seen some of my previous videos, but Nocatee is the gold standard of master plan communities with everything that's available and offered here. Plus, let alone within Webb, you have its own amenity center, its own exclusive pool, tennis, pickleball, bocce ball, unlimited clubs and things to participate in. It's just great. Security, no lawn maintenance, all that. You got all that right here. Anyway, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to take it on a beautiful tour through one of these villa homes that's, of course, very low entry cost here in Webb Nocatee. You're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a catch up here on Webb Nocatee. Webb Nocatee, of course, has many different styles of homes that you can purchase within here. Of course, different styles of, bedrooms arrangements, bath arrangements, the size of the lot, how many garages you have, all that stuff. Well, what I'm doing today is I'm going to focus on the lowest budgetary priced home that you could possibly getting into Webb Nocatee here in Ponte Vedra. And remember, they are in their final phase. They're in phase 3, so they've got maybe at the time of this filming, maybe about 12 months left of sales left in here before they're totally sold out. But reach out to me. You'd still be good to go if you want to get one of these beautiful villa homes, and live here in Webb Nocatee at the lowest price possible. And you're asking, what is that lowest price possible? It's going to run somewhere in the high 400s, low 500s. So behind me is the Ellenwood model. It is a villa home. So what that means is it's got a shared wall between it, but you have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home here, and you own the land that goes with the villa, 2-car garage. And speaking of the 2-car garage, there is a 4-foot extension option that you can get with the 2-car garage, so it extends it out 4 feet. What that actually will do, it's going to reduce, while it extends the front of the home with the garage, you do lose 4 feet of backyard. So you're going to lose, it's going to shorten up your backyard by 4 feet to have that 4-foot extension on your front garage. I would still get that option because in my opinion, you can't get enough space. Plus, you're not responsible for the yard maintenance in here anyway. Front yard, backyard, hedges, irrigation, all that handled by the community. This home is going to be 1,581 square feet. You're going to have a pavered driveway, pavered walkway, pavered back patio. Let's take a look inside. Real quick, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing in the Jacksonville, Florida area and the surrounding suburbs, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in Jacksonville, Florida. My name is Jay Wike, and I'm a local real estate agent, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you that are looking for help relocating to this area, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days or even a shorter period of time than that, or even if you have a home to sell, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. Got your beautiful front porch here, pavered walkway up, and this is hardy board siding, hardy panel siding, so that's concrete and fiber. Very strong, very highly protective of your home. 8-foot door openings. Nice high ceilings here inside. Leaded glass door there. That'll be your 2-car garage. Laundry area. Of course, you have these handy pocket doors. For all your router. Sitting area. Digital thermostat. Here's the first bedroom. Sliding closet doors. Look at the detail in these doors, the panels. Here's your first bathroom. Of course, you're going to have a tub shower combination here. Nice raised vanity. We're here in the kitchen. Beautiful white shaker cabinets, quartz counter, tile black backsplash, 5-burner gas stove. You're going to have a tankless hot water heater, of course, as well. Stainless appliances, deep sink. Pendant lights. Recessed lighting throughout. Of course, they added this really nice accent wall. Beautiful windows here. Primary bedroom. Get these windows again. You have a tiled, frameless walk-in shower. Water closet, linen closet, very large owner's closet. Again, you have this really cool pocket door. Very nice double vanities. Back patio. Of course, it's set up for natural gas, for an outdoor kitchen, or fireplace, if that's what you prefer. Outlets. You could, of course, do a ceiling fan here with a light kit and screen this in. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the Ellenwood Villa home here in Webb Nocatee. Let me know what your thoughts are on the villa home. Is that something that would work out for you if you're 55 plus? And you know, if you don't want a villa home and you want a full-size estate home, reach out to me. No problem. I can take care of you on that too. Not a problem. Remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to me. Give me a call, text, email, or click that Calendly link. My contact information is in the description below, as well as the comments. And until next time, I hope to see you around town.